Hi friends, I'm Rebecca. Welcome to Squintillions. Today I'm talking about Robinhood. As part of the 2019 Grow Your Dough Challenge, I put $1,000 into a Robinhood account. Through the Grow Your Dough Challenge, people are putting $1,000 into the investments of their choice, and we're seeing how they fare at the end of a year. My investment strategy for my Robinhood account was to create my own mini fund based on the proportions of the top sectors as held in the iShares S&P 500 Value ETF. Having just $1,000 to work with and wanting to buy 10 shares, I had to keep the price per share low for my investment choices. All of the shares that I purchased were under $72 per share. All of the shares in the account were purchased between February 4th and 7th, 2019. When looking at the different sectors, I did not buy any stocks in the basic materials or communications categories. I went a bit heavier in the real estate sector and shared that percentage with the financial sector in order to get higher dividends. The companies I chose in this area are Lazard Ltd., ticker LAZ, which is a financial advisory and asset management firm. I also selected Chimera Investment Corporation, ticker CIM, which operates as a real estate investment trust and invests in mortgage assets. Another company I purchased shares in was Redwood Trust, ticker RWT, which is a specialty financial company invested in mortgage-backed securities and has a residential mortgage banking segment. Finally, under financials, I put the last bit of money I had in my Robinhood account after I purchased all my other 9 shares into New York Mortgage Trust, or ticker NYMT, which is another company involved in mortgage-related assets. The share price I paid was in the $6 range. For the technology sector, I chose Maxim Integrated Products, ticker MXIM. They develop integrated circuits and sensors for use across multiple applications such as industrial, automotive, communications, and computing. I like this company as they are showing a healthy upward trend in their net income over the last 5 years and also pay a reasonable dividend, currently at 3.39%. Under the healthcare sector, I chose Pfizer, ticker PFE. What I like about this company is their steady base in consumer healthcare products with household names such as Advil, Robitussin, and Chapstick. Also, its development of prescription medications and vaccines, as well as its ongoing research activities for new treatments. I also hold Pfizer in my main portfolio with E-Trade. The company Leggett & Platt, ticker LEG, has been on my radar for a few months now. I decided to buy a few shares of this consumer goods company in order to keep track of what the company is doing and allow me to decide if I'd like to add them to my main portfolio. Leggett & Platt produces components for residential, furniture, industrial, and specialized products such as springs and parts for mattresses and beds. This is one thing I can see as beneficial about having a Robinhood account. Without the commission fees, it feels comfortable to buy just a few shares in a company in order to more closely watch the stock and also get news alerts without feeling the same kind of pressure you feel to make a larger purchase with an online brokerage to justify the cost of paying the commission fees. Covering the utilities and energy sector, I bought a couple shares in Dominion Energy, ticker letter D. They're involved in energy production and transmission, and I also hold this company in my main E-Trade portfolio. For the industrial sector, I selected ABB Limited. They manufacture and sell electrification products and robotics and motion applications. Also, they are involved in the industrial automation and power grid segments. It's a long-established company with a 4% dividend yield, though I'm a little worried about the declining revenue for the company over the last few years. But I'm hoping that they are going to be finding their momentum soon. My choice for the consumer staples sector was Kraft Heinz. Unfortunately, I bought into the dividend hype, and I made my purchase just before the stock price plummeted. Kraft Heinz was originally recommended to me by a financial advisor in January 2019. And then I saw that Warren Buffett was putting money into Kraft Heinz, and I was also reading positive articles about it on Seeking Alpha. Also, Morningstar gave it a positive synopsis. Unfortunately, sometimes things don't work out the way you expect. So I'm glad that I only bought the 4 shares for this Robinhood account and that I did not buy more for my main portfolio or for my IRA. After Kraft Heinz made their dividend payout on March 22nd, I sold my shares. I also have 1 share of Sprint in my Robinhood account, and that was the share that I got for my Refer a Friend gift when opening my Robinhood account. And as a reminder, if you are going to open a Robinhood account, my Refer a Friend link is in the description so that we will both get a share when you open your account. I hope you found the information in this video useful. If so, please hit the like button. If you want to follow me on the Grow Your Dough Challenge or see more content on financial growth, please subscribe to Squintillions.